Nestled in the pristine grasslands of Ol Pejeta Conservancy, Kenya, this footage from our May 2024 safari captures the slow-motion elegance of a reticulated giraffe in its purest form. Notice the deliberate grace of every stride, the towering silhouette cutting against the open sky, and those distinctive geometric patches that make this species unlike any other on Earth. A creature so unhurried, so effortlessly majestic. A quiet reminder that nature's greatest spectacles don't always roar. Subscribe for more nature, wildlife, and travel videos.